Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll just tell you guys, let's get into it. So guys, for the motor, it's gonna be a mini bike, and it's Bajaj, I think, it's 97 cc's. I got it for, actually I'll have you guys click the card in the corner, and I'll put some prices, I'll put the right one, and you guys guess, and I'll tell you in the next video how much I paid for it, but I'll show you around and tell you what's with it. First of all, the gas tank's loose. It's missing a nut right in there, and then a bolt right in there, but it starts up fine, and I'll start it up for you guys right now. Gotta take the gas on, the choke on. Gas. Choke off. So guys, it runs, but it doesn't have a kill switch, so I have to use this wire and put it in the kill switch. But when I get the frame for it, I think tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I don't know. I have to still find it. Because the frame that we were supposed to get he couldn't find it, and so yeah. So guys, I just got this little screw right here, and it goes in right, well, there. See it right there, and I'll put that in real quick. Before I do that, I'm gonna do before and after. See how much this gas tank shakes all over the place. Like lift up a little bit, and now let's see what's gonna be after the screen. Here we go, shake test. Not moving whatsoever. So guys, I got it on now. I'm gonna start up and test it out. Gas on, choke on. So guys, that didn't work, so I'm going back to the old spring. And this is how it's supposed to be. So guys, I got it running, like not running. I got the throttle all right. I used the old spring and not one of these new ones. I don't know what was wrong with it. The spring wasn't long enough or something. So yeah. So here's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And hopefully you guys are excited for the build right here, the mini bike motor. And tonight I'm probably gonna have to order a new air filter box. It doesn't have the cover, and maybe like these screws and that screw right here, and probably a kill switch for it and a gas cap. Because the gas cap is very messed up. Let me show you. What's that? Like all this rubber stuff is falling out, and the gas tank is kind of rusty. If you guys can see in there, and I need to fill up on gas. So make sure you hope you guys enjoy. Bye.